Hey there! Welcome to class 3 in our texting series. Hopefully these are sprinkling in amidst new consultant training classes and product stuff that you're learning and just kind of filling in gaps with small bits. So what I want to show you today is just how I kind of organize my bag for appointments. What I have that I use is a business bag for my paperwork, and then, oops, it's over here. I have a separate bag that I use for the products, the mirrors, the trays, all of that. So when I'm here at home and I'm preparing for an appointment, or when I get home from an appointment, I reorganize, clean out, and I'm ready for the next one. So I don't have to go completely start over for every facial or every party. It's all has a home, it has a place that it belongs, so I can just check it, make sure everything's there. It takes me 5 minutes instead of like an hour prepping for every appointment. So the first thing I'll show you is the business part. And your starter kit bag is obviously designed to do that for you. So you may find that all of it will fit in there. You may find that you want to have one separate bag for a portion of the things you need for an appointment. But the goal is to keep it pretty simple. So when I show up at someone's home, I don't have 15 bags, but I have a couple. So let me just show you what I've done for paperwork. And it's fun. You can get a lot of tote bags from Mary Kay. This one actually says, "I love my Mary Kay." This was a fun gift that Mary Kay had. So you'll get tons of bags as a Mary Kay girl. But what I use for paperwork is one of these accordion folders. Ha-ha! And so the front pocket is where I keep my customer profiles. So when I do those, the second pocket is sales slips. The next pocket is my catalogs. So I always know I have a stock of catalogs. The next pocket is my team building packets. So I have them in these fun little cello bags. The next pocket are my documents that I use for appointments. So I have my spa experience sheets that I've laminated. And then the other pocket is for the placemats. If I can get this in. There we go. Put it back in. Which mine are out because I had an appointment. But it's these placemats that Mary Kay makes for us. This one is the color one. So I store the extra ones of those in that bag. And that's what I keep paperwork-wise in my business bag. Also in my business bag is just some kind of a place where I can keep money and checks, so that at the end of an appointment, when I'm finishing up, this will hold the profile cards that are filled out and the sales slips and the money. And I put them all in here in my bag. I also keep my pens in this bag, pens for my appointments, and I keep my flip chart. So this is my binder that has the flip chart information inside of it for teaching. So those things are always in here, always ready. And when I'm preparing for an appointment, I just grab this. I can very quickly look through it and see what's in there, what's not. Do I need to restock anything? Then my additional bag is going to have the mirrors. It's going to have the mesh bags with the products inside. This is how I have found is simple for transporting things. It has the facial cloths and the plastic trays, the applicators, just all the appointment-y types of things go in that other bag. So it's the products, the mirrors and trays, the facial cloths and applicators, wands, and then whatever products I need for demoing that day. So those two things allow me to travel light and travel easy, as long as it's combined there together. So just wanted to give you a little visual of how I travel and what I use for keeping myself organized.